Hello everyone, it's Abrar here. So today I'm going to show you Apple Music streaming board I have developed. When you this zip file take from me and extract like a simple folder like this one and just click open and find this exe file and just click open. Okay, so board is starting. Okay, now here is total streams, daily streams, total accounts and proxies, and here is home, here is proxies, here is settings, here about us. Okay, first you need to import accounts and add or copy paste links and add proxies, then click on start button to start streams. Okay, so first I need to go to accounts. Here is just optional because just account is not for auto login. You need to first time manually login and next time it will be automatic login, and this is for just remember and how much you will using accounts or profiles in your browsers. Okay, so just you need to import Apple profiles. So here is profiles, and now we need to copy URLs. So just click on URLs and here is Apple URLs, paste here. Okay, now I need to go to proxies, and if you want you need to accounts on all browser, you want to all accounts log out, so just click on this button, automatic will be log out accounts on every browser. Okay, so now just go to proxies. Okay, if you want you can use your real IP, and otherwise if you have proxies, so just check this box and import proxies. So here is proxies, and click here and showing you text here. Here is the username, so just copy, and here is the password, so just copy. Okay, now click on here to test proxies is healthy or dead or leave, so just click here, and if you want to export this proxies, so just click to test. Okay, so here is showing the live proxies. Okay, so we have 10 proxies is healthy proxies. Okay, go back to home button, and here is set your browser. We have accounts, so I am taking just 3, and just click on start button. I am again I am again saying you need to first time login manually. Okay, first browser is launch, and now it's second browser. It's set second browser, now it's third browser. Here is the third browser. Okay, so see here the all browser is launched as a proxy. So now you need to, here is the, you need to manually you need to enter manually username and password of proxies. So here is the proxy username and here is the password. So just click on sign in and here is also username and password and here is also okay. If you can see, here is my account is already login and here is cannot login and here is cannot login. So we need to first login. So just go to here and you need to first time login manually. So I have here is Apple profiles. So I am just taking this. Here is a Gmail. So copy this and here is just click to sign in. You need to first time just manually and next time you will showing you, see here it's already login. So here is enter email and here is password. You need to log in with password and here is password and just click here. Okay, our account is login same as it is method on third browser. Copy email and go to sign in. Here is password. Login with the password and just paste here password. Okay, our all accounts is login. So when you all accounts is login, so just you need to hit this OK button.
Fucking record over again. Wait a minute.
You can see the tracks is played. So if you have a premium account, so it will be not show you, and if you have a free account then showing you. Don't worry about it, it will be automatic, will be closed on all browsers. Okay, here is the shuffle on all browser, here is play pause on all browser, and here is the repeat on all browsers. And go to here. Here is the two playing songs settings, a partial songs on percentage, set your according to your percentage, and here is the full song. So come here and check this full song, playing a full song. Here is the two options according to percentage and full song on your choice, and here's the click to save button and reset, and here is the about us, and here is the graphs showing you monthly, weekly. You can see here the 3 streams is done from 3 browser. The volume is low, that's why it's cannot showing you. Okay, when song will complete, so automatic going to choose random song, next random song, and same as it is. And if you want to, here is the tracks, album, playlist or podcasts links on your choice, single, multiple or playlist. So you can see here is the song playing is 26. Just wait, it's taking time. My internet is slow. So you can see here is playing is 21 song, and here is playing and here is playing 21, here is playing 26. Okay, now I show you how to, this port is undetectable. So go here, new tab, and write word.net. So you can see here is the different proxy, and here is no add a blacklist and no as a proxy. Now I'm going to show you other browser, and same as it is here. And now you can see here is the different proxy from first browser, now as a blacklist and now as a proxy, and here is also the different proxy. So here is the browser 1 IP address, and here is the browser 2 IP address, it's United States, and here is the third browser IP address to show United Kingdom, and here is no blacklist or no proxy. And now song is complete. And you can see here is 28 song is playing, and here is the next song, and here is also next song. my internet and laptop capacity, memory capacity is low, so just manage this. It's very slow. In future I will add memory. Okay, you can see here in few minutes we get 6 streams, and you can get million streams per month. And if you want to get this support, so just contact with me. My contact information in description. Thanks for watching. Take care yourself. Bye bye.